Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Top Crypto Bull here once again to update you guys on the greatest and latest news and rumors of the crypto world. Let's get right into it, guys. Well, guys, looks like the plot thickens between Ripple and the SEC. I got more news between Ripple, XRP, and the SEC, guys. Well, it looks like Ripple Labs has filed a notice of cross appeal in its ongoing legal battle with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, or basically the SEC. It looks like in October 10 or today, the filing of the U.S. There's a filing in the U.S. District Court for the Southern District, New York. Ripple disclosed plans to take its cross appeal to a higher court, specifically the Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit. This notice is a legal step to formally register the cross appeal, guys. Looks like the Court of Appeals will review both the original appeals by the SEC, which had happened in October 2nd, that's when it was filed, and Ripple's cross appeal, which was filed today, to determine if any legal or procedural errors were made in a decision from August 7. During that time, a federal judge ordered Ripple Labs to pay $125 million in civil penalties for violating securities law. The SEC previously requested the courts to impose a $2 billion fine against the company, while Ripple argued that any penalty should not exceed $10 million. But the outcome was a $125 million civil penalty for Ripple. So it looks like the legal dispute between the Ripple and XRP company and the U.S. Watchdog, or the SEC, started in 2020 when the SEC alleged the Ripple sale of its cryptocurrency token XRP constituted an unregistered security offering. In a key decision in July 2023 by Judge Analisa Torres, she ruled that while Ripple's sales of XRP to institutional investors violated security laws, the secondary sales to a broader public and distributions to employees and developers did not constitute securities sales. The SEC has lost on all key points. This is what Chief Legal Officer Stuart Alderati noted on X. That's why they appeal. The SEC has lost on all key points. Today, Ripple filed a cross appeal to ensure nothing's left on the table, including the argument that there can't be an investment contract without there being essential rights and obligations found in a contract. Alderati also said that last year the SEC unsuccessfully tried to take an early appeal of the rulings that Ripple's XRP sales on exchanges and Ripple's other XRP distributions, like to employees and developers, weren't securities. They'll likely go after these again, and they will lose on both again. Yeah, guys, so hopefully, if they do go after secondary sales, this time at the SEC, if they go after secondary sales, hopefully they lose again, guys. That's what we don't want. We don't want them to appeal secondary sales again, guys, because then that might make XRP go stagnant again, and they might miss its parabolic bull run that's right around the corner. So we shall see what happens, guys. So it looks like the Howey test determines whether a transaction qualifies as an investment contract and thus falls under the SEC branch. According to the test, a transaction is considered an investment contract if it involves an investment of money in a common enterprise with an expectation of profits derived primarily from the efforts of others. According to Stuart Alderati, Ripple's lawyer, the SEC will not appeal the ruling that XRP is not a security. They even apologized in other case for suggesting a token itself could be a security, said the executive. That's the law. An appeal to these other issues doesn't change it. Both Ripple and the SEC expected the to present further arguments in the coming weeks. So yeah, both Ripple and the SEC are expected to present further arguments in the coming weeks following the recent cross-appeal filing. The timeline for these developments remain uncertain. It's also unclear whether the SEC intends to focus on disputing the fines imposed on Ripple, or will it continue to challenge the broader ruling regarding XRP status? That is the question, guys. Is this SEC appeal, are they going to focus just on the fines they imposed on Ripple, or are they going to challenge XRP again, guys? Hopefully they just impose the fines. They probably just want $2 billion in fines from Ripple instead of $125 million like Judge Analisa Torres ruled. So we shall see, guys. Hopefully they don't challenge XRP's status. Hopefully they don't try to say that XRP is a security again on the secondary market sales, like, buying it through Coinbase or any exchange or DEX out there, guys. So that is the main question, guys. Are they going to just challenge the money part, the fines that Ripple has to pay to the SEC, or are they going to challenge the ruling of XRP status that it's not a security on secondary market sales, guys? We shall see, guys. But it still sucks, guys, because this ongoing case is probably going to last another year in the minimum. So this case will probably not be finalized until 2026, guys. Sometime in 2026, this case will probably come to an end. But I mean, the bull market will probably be over by 2026, guys. I think the Bitcoin bull run is going to be over sometime in September 2025, and most of the altcoins would have topped off by then too, guys. So let's see what happens, guys. Hopefully they only challenge the money part, the fines imposed on Ripple, and not the XRP status, guys. If they only challenge the money, the fines imposed on Ripple, then maybe XRP still has a chance of mooning, guys. Maybe XRP will go into price discovery and still go to higher prices if that's the case. But if they challenge the XRP status, then it might affect XRP price, and it might cut short the XRP bull run that's right around the corner, guys. But we shall see what happens, guys. But don't let them scare you out of your XRP holdings, guys, because I do think they're not going to challenge the XRP status, guys. I think the SEC appeal is basically going to be more concentrated and focused on the fines imposed to Ripple, guys. I think they're just after $2 billion fines from Ripple instead of the $125 million that was ruled on August 7, guys. So yeah, don't let them shake you out, guys. Don't let them scare you. I think it's just more fear they're trying to create in the markets and for XRP holders, guys. They want the XRP holders to sell their coins, and then all the insiders and the market makers will come in and buy the XRP at low prices, and they'll make XRP run, they'll make XRP moon, and they're the ones that'll be making millions instead of the retail investor that sold their XRP out of fear, guys. So don't be that guy that sells your XRP coin and regrets it later, guys. Don't be that guy. Well, guys, also just a reminder, guys, help the channel out by liking the video, and also help the channel out by subscribing to the channel, guys. This is Top Crypto Bull signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.